Hi, this is Gaurav Radpara here. This is a video tutorial of PHP. In a previous video tutorial, I teach you that how to write your first file of PHP. Now, in this video tutorial, I will teach you the PHP info function. In this video tutorial, I will teach you the specific details of PHP info function, how to execute the PHP info function, what is the use of the PHP info function, etc. If you want to know that what is your PHP version is, what features of your PHP version is, with the help of this function or with the help of the PHP info function, you can easily understand that which system you use, what is the build date of your system, what the server API used by your PHP, where is the PHP configuration file is. The configuration file means the php.ini file. So, how we write the PHP info function, or how we execute the PHP info function. First, simply open your text editor and create your PHP file. I just open the text editor and save my file. I give you the name of my file, info1.php. Save. Now I started the PHP tags against the PHP tag. Now in between the PHP tags, write the function name only, which is the PHP info. My text editor shows the menu and put the semicolon at last. And save your file with .php extension. Now open your file in your browser. Open with local host and give the file name info1.php and run it. Now here we can see that which system I use, what is the build date of my system, which compiler of use, what is the architecture of my system, what is the configure command, what is the server API. Server API is mainly Apache 2.0 because we are using the exam control panel, and exam control panel only execute the Apache server. So the server API is Apache 2.0 handler. Here is the configuration file path. Configuration file means php.ini file. There are lots of details. Here we can see that here is your configuration of Apache 2 handler and Apache environment. So with the help of the PHP info functions, you can easily know that what is your PHP version, what is your system details, what is your server details, etc, etc. So with the help of the PHP info function, we can easily know all the details related to the PHP and related to our system. Thank you.